Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to get vertical WhatsApp status just like this. So if you don't like the horizontal WhatsApp status and you prefer to have your WhatsApp status as vertical as this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Then click on update. Then you should see your WhatsApp update horizontal. To change horizontal WhatsApp update to vertical here, come down to where you see explore, and then you have access to all the follow channels on WhatsApp. Click on it, click on the three dot at top right, then click on unfollow, select unfollow channel, then hit the bar button. Repeat this on all the channels you follow on WhatsApp. So once you unfollow all the channels on WhatsApp, then you should see your WhatsApp channel change from horizontal to vertical. So the moment you follow any WhatsApp channel, then this is going to change the WhatsApp status from vertical to horizontal. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.